FVL President Jeff Loberger. Over the past several weeks, I've had the privilege of visiting hundreds of students in grades 5 through 8 and telling them a little more about Fox Valley Lutheran High School. These students come from all corners of the valley, yet all of them have very similar questions when deciding which high school is right for them. What classes can I take? What sort of activities can I participate in? Will I make friends? How will my parents afford this high school? These are such important questions, and we want to help answer them for you. Families of students in grades 5 through 8 are welcome to our Family Open House on March 29th. Learn about the benefits of receiving an FVL education and take a tour of our campus. Have your questions answered by coaches, faculty, and administration. We know choosing a high school is a big decision. That's why we want to help you be as informed as possible. Come to the FVL Open House to find out how we can serve you and your family now and in years to come. Visit fvlhs.org/open house to learn more and to sign up. COVID protocols will be followed for the safety of all involved. If you can't come on March 29th but want to learn more about our high school, register for a family tour. One of our school leaders will give you and your family a personalized tour around the school and answer your questions. Register at fvlhs.org/visit. We look forward to meeting you on March 29th. We'll see you soon.